Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Novobanco Portugal online banking card decline fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue, first what you can do is check your account balance. To do it, simply head over and open up your Novobanco application and be sure to be logged into your account. Then once you're inside here on your home screen, you'll be seeing your available balance. Sometimes the decline often happens simply because there isn't enough money in your account. Verify in the app or internet banking that you have sufficient balance. Then the next method is ensure your card is active or valid. Make sure the card isn't expired. If it's a new card or recently renewed, ensure you have activated it per your instructions. Then third is confirm your card has transaction permissions like ATM, POS, online or international. Banks can disable certain transaction types by default, so what you need to do is simply head over to the more option on the bottom and select cards, and inside cards select card management or similar option, and inside look for option that says blocked or inactive. Simply tap on to activate it or unwrap it. Then next is to check for fraud or security blocks. Novobanco warns customers about fraud or phishing attempts and notes that they never ask for full card data or send unsolicited links for reactivation. Sometimes legitimate transactions get blocked if flagged, so consider contacting the bank if you suspect this. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.